Detroit businesses are facing a critical challenge. Outdated IT systems are holding back industries that run 24/7. From factories to hospitals, slow systems, security gaps, and missed revenue are real threats. And here's the number that hits hard. IT downtime now costs large organizations an average of $9,000 per minute. That's not just expensive, it's unsustainable. As Patrick Burt, president of Adrem Systems, puts it, Detroit's industries are at a turning point. Those who leverage digital transformation will thrive, while those who resist will struggle to keep pace. Detroit's economy runs on more than just auto manufacturing. It includes defense, logistics, healthcare, and one of the fastest-growing tech startup communities in the country. Each of these sectors depends on secure, reliable, and scalable IT, and that's where managed IT services come in. Managed services drive efficiency across industries. Predictive maintenance keeps manufacturing running. Secure cloud solutions ensure defense compliance. Real-time tracking optimizes logistics. And healthcare IT protects patient data. Even startups gain by outsourcing cloud migrations and DevOps, freeing them to focus on innovation. Managed IT providers help Detroit businesses scale fast, stay secure, and reduce downtime. They manage complex tech environments and deliver support that keeps operations running around the clock. Detroit is evolving. Clean tech, remote work, and automation are changing the game. Without the right IT infrastructure, growth stalls. With it, Detroit businesses stay competitive. You can read the full article now on our website, and don't forget to add this to your playlist.